good. Maayong buntag. I'm currently heading to there. Parking! Ouch. Anyway, before I continue, time check, it is now 9:02 a.m. Saturday, September 7. And today is the day. Oh my god. This is the day. I am excited. So we're heading to Parken because there is the venue for the hiring process for decathlons. So we are heading there. Let's go. Update you later, alligator. So we're heading to their lobby all, and I don't see a lot of people in here. I might be the first applicant. Panas! Just sarang palaka. I'm gonna ask the people in that building, check where will be the like you know na you all. I'll just check. Whee! Manong, ay. Manong, mamangkot lang din yung recruitment ng decathlon. Let's get in. Yes, panas.
Sa room 226 ma'am, sa second room. Sa room 226 sa second room.
Yay! Morning!
Nakita ko sa
Yes, I was there yesterday.
Ano pa? Sino nag-invite sa'yo?
I was actually checking your Facebook.
Okay. So through Facebook siya.
Yes.
Wow. Taga dito ka talaga?
Taga Bacolod.
Okay. So, diyan, nasa kay Dons na lang. Sa ibang. Okay, last na yan daw. Oo. So, from Bacolod ka?
Yes.
Okay. Pero kabala ko mag-ilang.
Okay. Hi, good morning. Gabe.
Gabe, okay. So, relax lang guys. Wait muna tayo mga 6 minutes. Baka may gumagawa.
We're not starting yet. We're still waiting for people to come. See you later, alligator. So we're done with our meeting.
UI.
I'm gonna drink water.
Basic and ano?
Where's the water?
Okay. Alam mo, familiar si Ulo. Truck mo.
Sabi ko sa wala water. Where's the water?
Wala.
Agis kwa nanda. Hindi kagina may dyan may pitcher na glass. Yung Kwa Gornanda. Or dili sila good drink. I don't trust it. I don't trust it. There's no water. So yes, we're done and they're going to deliver it outside to decide who's gonna be the chosen one. And this is my that's my co-applicant. And I'm hoping to be the one. At 1 p.m. man? Yes. So you all, we're done with the panel interview, or they called it collective interview. So later I'll be back here at 1 p.m. for the one-on-one interview. You're coming back 1 a.m. Lunch tayo? Sige. Full time? Ay, yung assist, yung manager? Okay. Yes. There's a chance, y'all. Kaya mabalik kami.
Siguro kayo part-time mo.
Oo.
So, di mo nag-apply.
Our lunch, y'all, because later we're gonna come back here. And 3 of us will be back here, but the other guy wasn't given. Oo. See later on. I'm currently here at the lobby. And time check, it's now 12:41 p.m. and we're gonna go back upstairs at 1 because we're gonna have, I think it's gonna be the final interview at exactly 1. Tapdaki may keko din. Tapdaki ko na.
May RFID na na?
Wala pa.
Wala. Wala po.
May CCTV, baka ma-hide sa CCTV. Ayun na, may tawo, oh. Ay, ambi ko tawo.
Ba't sila pag-aalit kita? Wala na.
Bilangan biyan.
Sa YP. Asa yun siya?
Bilangan naman.
Ano? Naka 5K, naka 5-6.
May income ka.
First, August. First day. After party.
Pila sa din?
5. Kumita? Sintaksan na nagdala.
Nakaan.
Pila ng 5? 5K?
Oo.
Kay $2 na yun.
Oo. Yung tax dollar na. Hey all. Okay, I can't go out. It's a it's a punch key, so I would wait here for now. And I just finished my panel interview with the interviewer. And I would be receiving a result 2 weeks from now through email, so wish me luck, you all.